All right, so in this video, we'll be going over invoicing features. So I'll break down a couple of them over a series of videos for you. So that way you'll just be able to get them in bite-sized videos and be able to ingest them a little bit easier. So let's go to invoicing. To get there, you'll need to go to payments, and then you'll be brought to this screen here where you have your invoices and payments tab here at the top. And this is where we'll need to be. So we're already here under all invoices. All right, so we have some examples here of some invoicing that you can do, some of the types that you can. But there's a question that's been raised as far as how do you download um, maybe a PDF copy of said invoice? So let's say you already sent one out. The way that you would get that is you can't do one that's already in draft, of course. So if you click on the three dots, you'll see that there is no option to be able to download that as a PDF. But let's say we sent one out, it could be overdue. You could send one out that has already been paid. Um, you can send one out that um, has another status here. If you go to here are the different statuses that you'll see here. So we got void, partially paid, paid, payment processing, overdue, sent, draft. Draft, you won't be able to send out the PDF for, as well as void. Um, so let's say we are trying to send out the PDF. You'll just click on the three dots here on the right. You'll see some options here that say edit the invoice in a new tab. We got copy, link, download, void, clone, convert to a template, or record the payment. So for this selection, we'll click on download. Okay. So this is downloading a copy of it to my computer. And if you see this in the background, let me move some stuff here. You'll see that here's the downloaded version of it. So I can open this and then you'll be able to see this PDF version of the invoice. Now, let's say if we want to send this directly out to a client. So the way that they would make the payment would be by clicking on the option right here that says click here to make the payment now. So once I click that, it'll open up the link for said invoice, and then they can pay by clicking on the pay button here that's in green, or if you have it as another color, which you can do that as well too, you can do that here. Now, as far as a PDF copy for them to be able to download on their end, they can also do that for themselves without you having to prompt it. That will be this button here down at the bottom that says click here to download PDF. So that would do the same thing where it's generating a PDF and it will give them a copy of their own to download. All right. So that's how you download a PDF copy.